How to get and use Amazon coupon codes, tutorial 2026. Are you leaving money on the table every single time you shop on Amazon? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to find, clip, and use Amazon coupon codes so you never pay full price again. Whether you are brand new to Amazon or you have been shopping there for years, I promise you there are savings hiding right under your nose. Let me show you how to grab them. So here is the deal. Amazon absolutely has coupons, and if you are not aware of that, you are literally leaving money on the table. But they are not always easy to find on Amazon's site or app. Today, I am going to walk you through every method to find these coupons, how to clip them, how to enter promo codes at checkout, and how to stack them for maximum savings. Let us jump right in. Step number 1, visit the Amazon coupons page. Did you know there is a dedicated Amazon coupon page where you can access all of the available clippable savings in one spot? Most people have no idea this page even exists. Just go to Amazon and in the navigation menu look for the coupons section under the Deals tab. You can even use the sort by drop-down menu to filter by the biggest savings, by expiration date, or by the most popular couponed items. You can also use the search bar on the coupons page to hunt down coupons for specific brands you like. Step number 2, clip your coupons. Look for the orange flag under the price tag that says coupon. There should be a box that says apply coupon that you can tick off. You do not get the coupon unless you tick the box, so make sure it has a check mark before you add the item to your cart. Once you click the clip coupon button, it adds the coupon to your account, and then you just add the item to your shopping cart. Step number 3, understand the different types of Amazon coupons. There are 4 main types of Amazon coupons. Clippable coupons are the most common. You are clicking a checkbox to apply them to your order. Usually these are dollar off coupons, but they can be percentage off coupons too. Then there are link coupons, which are similar but you have to hit a specific link to unlock the deal. And then there are promo codes, which I will cover next. Step number 4, enter promo codes at checkout. If you have an actual promo code, here is how to use it. Proceed to checkout and select the box labeled gift cards and promotional codes. Enter your Amazon code in the box and click apply. Your total will update automatically and reflect your savings. Keep in mind that many codes are case sensitive, so I recommend you copy and paste the code to make sure it is entered exactly right. Step number 5, find promo codes outside of Amazon. Amazon often posts discount codes on its Facebook and other social media channels, but they do not last long, so act fast. Amazon also sends out regular emails with discounts and promo codes to subscribers. You can update your email preferences under Accounts and Lists, then Communication and Content, and choose which deals and departments you want to be notified about. Before you use any Amazon coupons, you must have an Amazon account. No, you do not have to be a Prime member, although Prime does come with extra benefits. You just need to be logged in. Step number 6, stack your savings. Here is where it gets really good. You can combine clippable coupons with promo code coupons because they stack and take just a few seconds to apply. For example, a product might have both a clippable coupon and a promo code offer for a total combined savings of 50%. You just hit the check mark and apply the code, and both discounts combine in your cart at checkout. Now here is the important part that trips most people up. After clipping your coupon and adding the product to your cart, your savings will not initially show up in your cart. When you proceed to checkout, you will see your savings reflected then. So do not panic if you do not see the discount right away. Also keep in mind that coupons are typically only eligible for one item, which means if you buy 3 identical products, only one will receive the extra discount. Now here is your pro tip. The most effective way to save on Amazon right now is by stacking clippable digital coupons with category-specific promo codes. Also check out the Subscribe and Save program. It offers discounts on items you purchase regularly, and by subscribing to receive items on a recurring basis, you can save up to 15% on each order. This is especially useful for household essentials like toiletries, cleaning supplies, and groceries. Combine Subscribe and Save with a clipped coupon and a promo code, and you are looking at serious savings on everyday items. And that is it. You now know exactly how to find Amazon coupons on the dedicated coupons page, how to clip them, how to enter promo codes at checkout, how to stack multiple discounts together, and how to use Subscribe and Save for even more savings. These are all completely free and legitimate ways to save money every time you shop. If this video helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another money-saving tutorial. And drop a comment below, what is the biggest discount you have ever scored on Amazon? I would love to hear about it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.